She doesn't or she isn't. What's the difference? Yes, she doesn't if it is followed by a base verb. Yes, she isn't if it is followed by a place, location, an ing verb, a person, or an adjective. Let's see if we can get this right. Blank, like it. Like is a base verb. She doesn't. She doesn't like it. Blank, busy. Busy is an adjective. She isn't. She isn't busy. Blank, here. Here is a location. She isn't. She isn't here. Blank, work. Work is a base verb. She doesn't. She doesn't work. Blank, working. That's an ing ending. Yes, she isn't. She isn't working. Blank, at work. At work is a place, location. She isn't. She isn't at work. Here, work is a noun. It means a place. And here, work is a base verb. Why? We have the word at. That's a preposition. At goes before work. That's why work is no longer a verb. Blank, a doctor. A doctor is a person. She isn't. She isn't a doctor. Blank, want it. Want is a base verb. She doesn't. She doesn't want it. Blank, agree. Agree is also a base verb. She doesn't. She doesn't agree. Blank, angry. Angry is an adjective. She isn't. She isn't angry. Be careful. Agree and angry sound similar, but they have different meanings. Agree is a verb. It means to say yes. And angry is a feeling, emotion. Do not confuse them. And the last sentence is for you. Blank, speak French. She doesn't or she isn't speak French. Tell me in the comments.